Alright, so today is April 15, tax day. Hope you paid your taxes or at least filed an extension. So we are very similar to yesterday. We are at very similar spot. Yesterday you could see that we attempted to get inside the range and rejected. Tried several times, but we could not get any traction to the downside and trade inside Friday's value. So that's telling us that buyers are still in control, and whoever is trying to short here is not getting any traction. So we did leave some bullish imbalance, and I think traders are looking to this gap to fill this gap right here. That fills at 55.66. Just now on the overnight session we had a double distribution. You can see that we tried to. I mean we were trading up here, then we broke below, then we tried to take this low, we couldn't, we left a poor low, and now we are attempting to go back above this low volume node. So this is the area now that this is decision time, right? If we get back above it, then we're likely gonna come back to the upper part of the overnight range, tag this point of control, and do a whole value area sweep and trade to yesterday's value area high. So basically we're trading inside the range, which could get a little choppy, but you know, it's kind of simple, right? Above this low volume node, the targets are this point of control and value area high, and then look for continuation. If we break yesterday's high, then this high right here from Thursday, and then see if bulls can continue, if they get momentum and we fill that gap. Inside here is choppy, and then below here I want to see a clear move below the overnight low, an acceptance inside Friday's range in order for us to go low. But even getting there, it's kind of like, I don't think it's gonna be an easy short in my opinion. So because it look at how, like, this is one time framing higher, right? So, and there's this elongated profile right here with very thin volume. So all of this, I think, is gonna be a little hard to go to move down initially, unless there's some catalyst, some news, something that the market gets a little some new piece of information that comes out that has them dump their positions or go short, right? And the levels to the downside are similar to what I posted yesterday. So looking for a little bit of support here, and then if we get back inside the IB for Friday, which is right here, 53.40 ish, then look for a move through this area. Value area low is right here at 53.10 or so. Forgot what I have there, the exact level, but anyway, I posted it on the Discord. So that's that, and then in Q, pretty similar. Also double distribution on the overnight session, now trading a little bit above it, and then we have the point of control from yesterday right above the overnight high, and value area high for NQ is at 19 165-ish. And remember, we don't have a gap to fill on NQ, but we do have that this very high volume notes. There's one here at 460-ish and then another one at 600. So those are targets to the upside. Crude is about to roll over. Sierra chart is telling me to roll over, but because of the volume is slightly more elevated on the next contract, but I'm not gonna roll over yet. I'm gonna roll over tomorrow. But we are inside that range that I mentioned yesterday. So here there's gonna be a lot of back and forth, looking for, you know, better spots to go long around the 59 area and shorts around the 64 area. In the middle it's gonna be a little bit more choppy. And gold, I filled like half of that gap that I mentioned yesterday and came back to the 5-day point of control. So now it's still consolidating up there. So this is, you know, I think this is gonna keep moving higher. I mean, there's not much continuation on pullbacks yet. What else? Let's see, what else? What do we have today? Today we have some White House press briefing at 1 p.m. So we'll see what Mr. Trump has to say. And tomorrow we have retail sales, U.S. industrial production, inventories, crude oil inventories, 20-year bond auction. Powell speaking tomorrow. Tomorrow I won't be around, so probably I don't know if I'm gonna make a video or not, depending on my schedule. But just in case you don't know, the joke is that when I'm not streaming, you have to buy puts. So just be warned. All right, that's about it. Good luck.